Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Yes, we have some new glitches and we have some today only deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so we have a lot to talk about in this video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with the today only deal. You can only do this deal today on Sunday. So what you want to do is pick up two of the Tide Simply, priced at $8.25 each, and then you're going to grab one of the 105 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $5, and then you're also going to pick up a 34 count bounce dryer sheet at $2. We have a manufacturer coupon which expires today for $3.50 off of the Tide Simply and the bounce dryer sheets, and then we also just received a DG store coupon for buy two of the Tide Simply, get one of the bounce dryer sheets for free. So both of those coupons will apply. That is going to take off a total of $5.50. And that is going to leave you paying $18.50 for all four products. Now, we also have a little glitch going on with our Gain products. So this morning, we just received a new 5 off 30 DG store coupon. And we also received this manufacturer coupon for save $10 when you purchase one of the Gain flings, one of the fireworks, one of the fabric softeners, and one of the dryer sheets. But this coupon is glitching. So if you want to pick up 4 bags of the Gain flings priced at $7.50, or if you want to pick up 4 of the fireworks, or 4 of the fabric softeners, or 4 of the dryer sheets, that coupon is still applying. It's taking off $10. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $20, but with that 5 off 30 DG store coupon, that is going to leave you paying $15 for all 4 items. That's a 50% savings all week long. Now, if you all want to save this deal and do this Saturday with our 5 off $25 scenarios, that is going to drop your subtotal after coupons down to $10 for all 4 items, making each one just $2.50 each. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of our Dollar General digital coupons. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We also received a lot of new cashback offers. I went ahead and clipped all of those to my account. I did a few stacking deals yesterday. It did stack. I did receive my money back this morning on my account. And make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I will be putting together an update video on our DG Cash deals. We've had DG Cash for a few months now, and obviously we've learned a few things. So update video is coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Alright, here we have a $2.50 off one for our Downy or Tide Rinse and Refresh. Be careful, we do have a lower value 2 off 1 digital coupon. These are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. We have our $3.50 off 1 Tide. That one is back. There's our 4 for $20 Gain coupon. We also have a 4 off 2 on our Colgate products. The toothpaste, we've got a Max Fresh and an Optic White that are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50 for 2. Moving on down, we have some more Gain coupons, a 1 off 1. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're paying $3.50. We have our $1.50 off 1 for our Tide or our Gain Liquid. Next up, we have that 4 off 2 for our Colgate mouthwash and toothbrushes. If you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're paying $6 for 2. This coupon is also glitching and working on the charcoal toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're paying $2.70 for 2. Or if you want to pick up the Max White toothbrushes, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're paying $2 for 2. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for our Airwick warmers. Be aware, we do have that higher value 4 off 1 still available. I don't think that one expires until December the 30th or the 31st. So if you haven't used that one yet, you may want to hold off on clipping this one. Those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. All right, moving on down, we have Glad trash bags. Definitely go ahead and clip those to your account. We have Pepsi, 3 off 3. These are on sale, 3 for $15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 3. $1.50 off 1 for our finished products. We have a 50-cent off 1 for the Hidden Valley Ranch. If you want to pick up the little ranch seasoning packs, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have new Energizer and Lysol coupons. We have French fries, Lysol. Next up, we have $1.25 off 1 for our Palmolive dish soap. These are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 2 for our L'Oreal shampoos and conditioners. So we actually have 2 new coupons. One is a manufacturer, one is a DG store coupon. So those will stack and work together. Pick up 2, that's going to put you at $9 after the 2 off 2 and the 3 off 2 are both applied. That is going to leave you paying $4 for 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoos or conditioners. So great deal there. Here we have another 4 off 1 for our Tide and Gain products. We have Fanta, some Dixie paper plates, the Dawn Easy Squeeze. That is not showing anything for me in the app, unfortunately, so I don't know what the price is on those. We have Airborne, Gain, the powder laundry detergent. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. All right, next up we have Tide Cascade 1 off 1 for our Kotex. These start out at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We also have Hot Pocket. All right, now I'm just going to skip over a few of these here. We get these quite often. The Secret, the Olay. We do have a couple of 3 off 1 for the Always Discreet products. These coupons are working on the higher priced items. I believe they are priced around $13, $14. So definitely go ahead and clip those if you plan on using them. I still have that 4 off 1 on my account, so I'm going to pass on clipping those for now. Next up, we have a $150 off 1 for our Sally Hansen nail polish. These start out at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.80. We have some more hair color coupons. All right, moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for our Dashing Diva gift sets. I believe those are priced at $10 since that is what the picture is showing us. So after the coupon, you'd pay $9. We have a 2 off 3 for our Dr. Pepper 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 3. Here we have our 5 off 30 Gain coupon. We also have a 2 off 1 for our Hanes men's t-shirts. Those are priced at $7, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5. We also have a 2 off 1 for the Hanes socks and underwear. Those start out at, I believe, $7 or $7.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5 or $5.25. And also keep in mind that your prices can vary a little bit from store to store. We have some more hair color. We have DG Health Children's Mucus Relief. There's that other 3 off 2 L'Oreal Paris. This is the DG store coupon right here, so definitely go ahead and clip that. And then there at the bottom, we have that buy 2, get 1 free on our Tide Simply and Bounce products. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.